Hey shipper fam, welcome to the Port Hub, your ultimate drayage connection. In this video, I'll walk you through how freight brokers, freight forwarders, and shippers can create a free account on the Port Hub, so you can start posting container freight and connecting with experienced drayage carriers. The sign-up process only takes a few minutes and includes a quick validation step to help keep the platform trusted and secure. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to porthub.net. On the homepage, click the Sign Up button to begin. From the left menu, select Shipper as your company type. This option is used for all shippers, including freight brokers and freight forwarders who need truck capacity for container freight. Click Next to continue. PortHub supports 3 types of user accounts, and each includes a simple validation step. If you select Freight Broker, you'll be asked to enter your US DOT number. This information is automatically validated using data from the FMCSA. Once validated, your company details will autofill to speed up the process. If you select Freight Forwarder or NVOCC, you'll enter your federal license number. This helps confirm your authority to move international freight and lets carriers know they're working with a verified company. If you select Shipper, you'll be prompted to enter your company's EIN. This is used strictly for verification purposes and helps maintain trust across the platform. After validation, you'll review or enter your company details and contact information. Next, you'll create your login credentials by entering your email address and choosing a secure password. Be sure to use an email address you actively monitor, since this is how carriers will respond to your load postings. Be sure to review the terms and conditions, then accept them to finalize your account. Once completed, you'll land directly on your dashboard, where you can post container shipments, receive quotes from drayage carriers, and manage your freight activity all in one place, including adding additional users to your account. You're now ready to post shipments and connect with verified drayage carriers on the Port Hub. If you ever need a step-by-step walkthrough, you can find detailed instructions directly on the platform, under the Help Center. Remember, there is no cost to sign up or post loads on the Hub. Be sure to check back for more tutorials covering everything from posting shipments to reviewing quotes and managing your account. Thanks for watching, and we're glad to have you on board. See you inside the Hub.